Okay, hello everyone, and today in this video I make a demo to represent for Java Beans and JSP tag. And okay, in dynamic web project Java Beans I have a my package, and in the my package I have a Java Beans.java, and this is a regular Java files, and it's the web content. I have a JSP file here. Okay, and the first one I create four variables uh, in this class. uh, First name and last name. Okay, and next I create constructors, generate constructors for this class. Okay, and I generate getter setter. Okay, I must generate getter and setter because the scope of on variable here is varied. And if you want to access the values of variable, you must access via this methods and all these methods. This method will get the values of the variable, and this method set first name will be set values of variable first name example. Okay, and move on JSP files. uh, and I here a structure HTML is HTML, and okay, and here I type use pin syntax. Okay, ID I set it is uh, employee, and which scope I set it is section, and uh, class, and I type is package name in my pack dot class name is Java pin. Okay, and next I set properties for this class Java bean here by using JSP set properties, and property I will set it is the first name here, and name is ID of JSP. I using this statement, and I copy here and paste here. Okay, done. Similar I copy path for three properties, class names, star year, and the last by array. Okay. Uh, oh, sorry. Access properties. First name with values is Tom, and access properties. Properties for last name with values is Zeris maybe. Uh, okay, and start year is access. Okay. So in the poly tag, I create the table tag to display data. uh, I will set already before. Okay, and the first table row, I will type table header, and I will type his first name. Okay, here I will test just only one property first name, and I will display the data first name to test it. And okay, and I will USB, I will type USB, and I using guest properties, and properties I want guest a first name, and name is employee. Okay, here. Okay, and I try run application. Okay, you can see here is HTTP status 500, and description is the live files, and the string is the values of USB card attributes invalid. Okay, file live file here. Oh, and I explain this more clearly because when you map in the Java file and the JSP file, and the JSP file want to map with Java files with attributes class here, you must need to uh, constructor here, a constructor, a special constructor. Okay, and constructor is but have no parameter, and each one and it help me to mapping Java files and JSP files. Okay, and I run application again. Okay, sorry. In the second table row, I don't miss table data. Okay, you can see here. The first name displays Tom because I set properties in this statement Tom. Value is Tom here. Okay, in similar, I want to display three properties, remaining properties. The last name, style, and by rate. Okay, similar, I get properties uh, for three remaining properties. Okay, and I run application again. Okay, you can see this is a result of this application. Okay, and you see that this is Tom, Jerry's, one dot trees, and this is your data. I will set this statement here, and I get property to in order to display the properties for client. So okay, and next I will show you a uh, technique to get properties we using USB expression. Okay, maybe okay, and Okay, and here I using JSP expression. So in order to display the data properties in the class file Java file here, and I using percent size and nice titles, IDs, and dot guess first name. Okay, I just test only test here. Okay, sorry, I comment this statement. Okay, you can see here the result is Tom, and I already display the data when I using JSP expression, and okay, and I show you two ways to get property to get data when using the JSP. You can using the you can use Java pins uh, this statement, and you can use the JSP serverless JSP expression here. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for listening.